guys, it's Chriso. How you going? Whoop. Where's my knife? So I've done the white. Now I'm just doing this this brown grout. It's called Havana. And I'm pretty sure it'll be the right colour, like it full on matches parts of the tile, which is pretty cool. Black would be a little bit too much, maybe a dark grey. I contemplated using a dark grey, but I asked the owners and they were happy with a like a coffee colour, and I think it's the right choice. I don't mind grouting, you know, because it's the end of, you know, it's nearly completion. I'll have an early day today. Life's sweet if you got it in balance. I've got it, I like to say I've got my life in balance. It's taken a bloody lot of years, I tell you. But I don't have stress, I don't have financial stress. I worked at it for a long time, and there's still a ways to go, but life's good. Anyway, it's just a little bit about me, so you know where I'm coming from. The lady, or the wife, the owner, has rocked up today, and she was instructed by her husband to start taking off the splashback tiles. I said to her, the only way is you just bash them off, don't try and peel them off. Bash them off and just replace the sheeting. A lot quicker, a lot easier. Because you try and bash them off, you stuff up the sheeting anyway, and you've got to patch it. So you might as well just bash it off, replace the sheeting, then you're laughing. This is a slightly different size to my floor tile, but what I did was you start in the middle and you work both ways. If I would have started here, well then you have a slightly smaller tile. Well, it's way out by the time you get to the end. But if you start halfway and go either side, it reduces the amount of it not lining up. There's nothing you can do about it. You just try to minimize it, which I have done, and it works out fine. Fine. See how that's about 8mm out, that grout line. If I would have started at the other end, it would have been like 20mm out. Right, a bit up there, pull that wax out. Where's my knife? Just whack out that bit of white. Cool. You can't go past these suckers though. The washboard guys, everyone. Right, stand back, have a look. Yep. That's it. Ooh, yep, beautiful. It's sort of seamless. You can hardly see it. Beautiful. I'll have to take that bit of white out, or that brown, and then just patch it with my white. But you do that with your finger. Just touch it up. Well, I think I made the right choice, people. I'm rapt about the colour Grout. See, if I would have stuffed it up, if it was the wrong colour, I could have just taken it out, knifed it out, let it dry slightly, say an hour or so, and then just knifed it out, start again with a different colour. But it's perfect. Perfect. All that banging. That's the owner. She's working hard. Get one of these Wash Boys DIYs. They're $100, but what it saves you in time, like my hands aren't even wet. You use a sponge and water, you'd spend $100 on bloody hand cream all the time, because it dries out your hands something shocking. Grout does. This is a very fine grout and it doesn't scratch my aluminium. But years ago, a lot of the grout was sanded grout because the lines were a lot wider. But now that the lines are skinnier, the grout lines I'm talking about, it's a lot finer, smoother grout that you use. Right, you stand back, have a look. That's good. We'll see you soon. Stay tuned, tap into Chriso, watch more of my channels, or watch more of my videos, I should say. I'm there to teach, so hopefully everyone's picking something up. I'll see you soon. Bye.